What's up, beautiful people? In this video, I'm gonna talk about things you should be doing in your garden in the month of November. Let's go! What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people? It's me, Ricky Jones Jr. back again for another video. And if you're like, what you mean back again? Yes, I'm back again because I do it each and every week. And if you are new to this channel, if you would, click that subscribe button because it will greatly be appreciated by yours truly, okay? Because we have goals and you could be a part of them. So without further ado, like I said, I will be talking about things that you should be growing in your garden, but also ways that you can grow in your garden. If you're looking at this video like, oh man, like I wish I could do what you could do because you, Ricky, are in Florida. However, I can't do those things, but I'm gonna talk to you about what you can do, okay? So don't go anywhere. Okay, so now obviously we are in the cool season. It is after fall. We are getting into the winter time frame. Thank you, Jesus. Coming into December. But nonetheless, in it all, of course, we can grow those beets, those broccoli, those Brussels sprouts, cabbage, carrots, and cauliflower, okay? Now, I just named a bunch of things that should be on your list or should be already in your garden, okay? Because we talked about it already before in the month of October, and I'm saying it to say even with the wobbly camera, like, y'all excuse me, I was trying to change hands because your boy arm was burning. But anyway, we talked about it last month, but I'm saying to make sure that you have those things in the garden because I want you to be able to enjoy them at this point now after the holiday season. But nonetheless, it is something that you can enjoy, that you want to take in part in, okay? So don't delay, okay? Go ahead and get it, especially those Brussels sprouts. Mine are doing great, especially in the grow bag. But anyway, we'll show that in another video. We're not here for that. We can also grow celery. We can grow Chinese cabbage, kale, lettuce, mustard greens, and bunching onions, okay? So those things just sound cool. Bunching onions. I never grew them before, but you can grow them, okay? That could be your thing. It's not my thing. So I'm not growing things that I don't eat. That's my new rule. If you're new to gardening, don't worry about that, okay? Grow everything that comes to mind. But then outside of that, you can also grow peas, potatoes, radish, spinach, Swiss chard, and turnips. Now, those are some fun things that you can grow multiple ways, okay? I already just slipped grow bags as a way of gardening. Also, of course, in-ground, raised bed gardening, whatever it is your way. Go for it. I do all those various ways except for in the ground. I was going to go for it, decided not to because it's just easier to grow in my raised beds as well as my grow bag. So that's a little thing for yours truly, but you can also grow some herbs, okay? So here you can continue to grow those herbs such as your cilantro, dill, and sage, okay? Cilantro, dill, and sage. And I can truly say that I've been growing cilantro this season for the first time this year, and the cilantro is growing fabulous. I'm so excited about how it is turning out and turned out in the garden because, like I said, I haven't grown it before this year, and so it is doing great in my raised beds, okay? So do those things, and we all know that dill goes great with your kale and your collard. So in the realm of companion planting, if you're like trying to figure out which herbs works with other plants, dill, kale, collards, Swiss chard, check, okay? All those things. But of course, marigold just works for them all, okay? Keeping the pest away. When I say companion planting, it's for that reason, not because one just looks good next to growing with the other. Like, no, none of that. We're talking about pest control, okay? Without using any, pesticides or anything like that. But now, like I said, there are multiple ways of growing that you can do and that you should do, even if like growing outside isn't what you can do because of where you are growing. And you can do those things in hydroponic systems, aeroponic systems. I'm actually going to be doing some hydroponic system videos next week, even just breaking those things down because I think that is a world that a lot of people haven't tapped into that actually in the gardening world you really should be tapping into just with so many things going on, people living in smaller places, people moving around more often than before. Well, hey, hydroponics is a way that you can grow your own food indoors or inside or in a garage or even outdoors, but in a way that you can take it along with you, as well as you don't have to worry about it being susceptible to the elements and things like that, because maybe you forget certain things. But when it's in a hydroponic system, it's set it and forget it, okay? You just have to feed the plants on a routine basis, okay? And so I'll, like I said, be doing videos of multiple ones. I even have some ones coming in, so definitely gonna look out for that. I'm gonna show you all how to start those hydroponic seeds before putting it into the hydroponic system before you can put it on your plate, okay? So I'm gonna just give you the step-by-step processes, so definitely be on the lookout for that this month, because like I said, I'm doing those things knowing where I am going, where I am growing in life, and I wanna bring y'all each and every step of the way. So I'm still getting eggs. Y'all already know the eggs just stay on abundance, okay? I'm giving eggs away and things like that to family, friends, and loved ones. And so all that to say, fun times going on in the garden. Fun times gonna be going on in your garden. Just make sure you take the necessary time to either one, learn what you are looking to grow. If you have any questions about any of those things, drop them down below. But then two, just have fun, okay? You see something in the store, you buy it, you plant it, you see how it does, okay? If you're sitting in a store, wherever you are, that is a good indicator that you can grow those things even this month, okay? So if you didn't hear me name a thing, but you see a thing in your local stores, especially your local nurseries, go ahead, buy it, plant it, water it, okay? That's all I can say. Buy it, plant it, water it, and make sure it has the necessary fertilizers as well, so they can be nice, strong, and healthy, not only for it to grow, but for you to grow after you eat it, okay? You see how all that thing works? It's fun just like that, all the ways in the garden, always on this channel. So in it all, with it all, I'm not gonna hold you long. I could go longer because you know your boy can talk, but I think I did enough. I think you have the idea of what you should be doing in your garden this month, okay? In it all, with it all, I love you. See you in our next video. Next times, fun times, happy times, or good times. I love you all. Peace.